your data from the 0 to up.
No.
First, go to your home. Then find the source and the filter.
What's the range? What's the variable?
Then sort A to Z. Click it. Then you will find in your column G will be the 0 at the start. Okay. Now we need to go to the file. Click your file
Gotta be on the end.
in your up
Go file.
very corner. Then can I continue?
Yeah.
Find your options in your left corner. Left bottom corner. Option. Then go to add-ins. Have you got it?
Yes, I'm on Mac, so it's different.
Didn't find it?
It's different. I think you go onto data and then
Okay,
slowly
you are using a Mac?
Yeah.
Okay, let me. Mac.
Hey, I got a recording going. I'll be able to watch this later.
Analyze tool.
What's the range?
Just the
Analyze
range.
tool. Just to click the analyze.
Like
This
down.
one.
Can you just click it down?
Then
What's the
click.
range?
Just click the
Then
column,
go
right?
to your date. Where's your-
I don't know. We'll be honest with
This
you.
one.
My computer's not even on.
Then select another one. Have you done?
It's a black screen.
Okay.
What are you doing? Doing accounting.
Not well, it's not great.
I need to follow. Okay, I need to continue. Okay, next one. After
Come on,
go to-
guys. I got you.
Next one to click add-ins. Then to get to the analyze toolbox. Then go to the management. Click it. Okay, go to your data set.
what was after?
Oh, you wait a minute. Which part? Add-ins. Then click the analyze toolbox. And there is a management. Go further.
Options?
Find it. This one. Then click the first one. Then click the OK. Good. Then go to data. Your right
Click on the analysis.
part. There is a data analyze. Click it. Yeah, I can continue. Now, in our question, that is the main weekly income are the same for the people living in the household with child and without child, which means that we will do the hypothesis for the main for the different samples. We will use the t-test. So go to the t-test here. There are 3 types of the t-test. Here the 2 samples for means and the 2 samples assume equal variance, 2 samples assuming unequal variance. In our case, we assume the equal population variance, so just select the second one, follow it. Okay, then click on OK. Then there are 2 things. First we have 2 things needed to select. The variable 1 range, which means the group for the value for the group 1. The group 1, that is the no child in the household, which means that from the first, because we try our random variable that is the weekly income, so we just select the weekly income from the first one until to until to this one until to 5. Where
Goes up to like 900.
The numbers.
this one.
To 1,000.
Until to 556.
556.
What's the first one?
556.
I
Because
think it should
after
just
the
be
556,
then 2, right?
the individual's household, the child,
D2, right?
become to 1. Is it good?
556.
For the first import? For the first import is good?
Yeah, and then you just do the
Then,
do
to
G
go to
G2,
the rest to be the,
and then the rest would be G2 to G556.
then for the next one.
Make it a cameo.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Took up the whole screen. Goddamn.
Yeah, the rest one.
And
Let's
then
go to the rest one.
and then the range 2 is G2.
And
to
For
G556.
the hypothesis difference, because we don't have the zero, in our case, just the zero, you can put in the zero. In other case, will be the one or something, just put one. If you didn't put the value in this one, in the hypothesis, they will automatically as a zero.
Okay.
Just to give you zero, we can put zero here. And the alpha here, that is the 0.05. We didn't put the 0.025 because this method is a two-tailed, and they will give you the one-tailed and the two-tailed. So we just click OK. We will get this value. This table is provided all value, we get it. The first, this three value, okay, let me write it. The first one, that is the x bar. This one is the y bar. And then this one is the
What was the
xx
second one?
square root. And then this one is the
Look what I'm doing.
xy square.
Alright.
And then this one is the nx
You think I know what I'm doing?
So what,
simple.
the first one was 556?
Look, I was following all the way until the Netflix data set
sample one,
opened.
and the simple, the
Until then.
y. And this
What's the second
this
one?
value is the pooled variance, which is represented
What was
as
the second
p squared,
First one was 556?
which is the formula, which is in the formula here. This one as p. Good.
What was the second one?
It's not G, it's D.
D, not a G. That is. Wait, what's wrong?
What was the first one then?
The G from after the just to type not type it. Okay, let me type it. G 557.
557.
Accounting costs. What you wanna get out of that, Elliot?
Nice.
That finishes at 8:30. How do you do?
963.
This bro has no
Yeah,
idea.
this one. One click on it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, sorry. What's wrong?
Yeah, the what?
What's wrong? What's wrong? No.
Completely died.
I really didn't die. Let me check.
Having business.
Yeah,
We in the mouse. Okay. Because this one is wrong. You see? Got it.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, my your results is different with
This
me.
one I'm gonna change.
I think you didn't sort the data. Yeah, you need to sort the data first.
Oh, you need to do 01?
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
need to
God,
sort the
Dimitri.
data. Otherwise,
That's like the first thing she said.
Okay.
Let's skip that.
Then here the zero, that is the hypothesis, then H0,
Yeah, here's one.
You just you filter it and then AZ.
and the degree of the freedom, that is the nx plus ny minus 2.
Goddamn.
And the 3.005, that is the test value.
This is like an 8-minute
Statistical
video. I don't think
value.
I'm uploading this.
And because we will use the two-tailed test, yeah, yes, what's wrong?
Can you help me for a second, please?
Sorry?
Let's stop.
What's that?
What are you doing here?
It's so
It
cooked.
doesn't- It's not letting me press OK.
Because we selected the same thing, not for the G, we just selected the
Just take
D.
a photo of that.
Yeah, this is a whole video. This is 8 minutes and 43 seconds.
You gotta divvy it up and send it to the group chat.
I might. Yeah. I'm just gonna stop once I'm bothered actually.
That
was great.
Then, because we using the two-tailed, so about our critical, we needed to find the two-tail, not to find the one-tail value. So this one is the upper bound. For our lower bound, that is the -1. So based on this all information, we will say reject or not reject or fail to reject.
Wait, what's the original thing?
Sorry?
I don't know. No.
I have tell the whole information and what's the explanation of these values, and we will use it to get our conclusion. So,
We rejected.
yes?
Yeah.
Could you anybody tell me why we rejected?
Because it's in the rejection region.
Why it is in the rejection region? Tell me what's the value for the test statistic in this table?
3 point.
3 is one of them. 3.00532.
Okay, good.
That's the
Okay,
upper bound.
what's
and
the
lower bound is 0.0027.
what's the upper bound value?
3.00532.
What's the upper bound value for the critical?
0.01?
0. Where
No,
is
sorry, 1.64. Yeah. And then that's a part of
Critical,
it.
right? 1.64.
Yeah. Okay, and the negative one in the lower bound, so we will reject our analysis. Okay, good. For the next one we need to